Now what the issue when we try to log in, so it's expired and today is 2/2. Okay, so all my firewall are expired, but if you remember last time we take a backup of firewall 1, firewall 4 and firewall 2 and 3. Okay, so how you can start the lab where you left? We already have a backup. I will last only today work which we done, but it's okay because I wasn't know that it will be expired today. I need to take backup one day before, either just expiry. So what I can do, right click on this firewall and click this wipe. Similarly on this firewall 2 and do it like this, and also this one. Okay, and when it's shut down, start again, and when it's start again and start again. So let me do these 3 firewall. I'm not sure about this 4 firewall is also expired or not, because we use them later. So let's go to 100 to 40 and let's see this one is also expired or not. Admin and 1 2 3, because we enable this firewall later, so I don't think so this one is expired. So it will expire on 30. Okay, we have still 8 days, so forget about this one, but at least the other 3 are expired. And what we done, we wipe them and now start again. Just you need to do a small thing when it start. Okay, now it's come up as a fresh one. Admin, no password, new password 123 123, config, system interface, edit port 5. This the one which we are using, yeah, for management. And set allowed access HTTP, ping SSH, and set IP 192.168.100.200/24, and we are done. This is the only thing I need to do. And now I can access this firewall back if I refresh and admin 123. Now the name is different. Later I will say later, and close this one. Everything is gone which we have. Okay, why it's showing me new lines before the evaluation period? Okay, yeah, they say it will be expired, so let's see. Yeah, it says will expire soon. Okay, so now come here. So now we have another 14 days and everything which we configure is not anymore there. And if you can see, nothing is there, all the thing which we configure. So what you can do, go to admin, go to configuration, restore and upload, and we take the backup. This is firewall 1, so this is firewall 2, this is firewall 1, 21.05.22. so yesterday this one is the correct one. So I take this backup on 22 May 2022. Okay, and there is no password, and click OK and click OK. So until it start, let's do the firewall 2. The only thing you need to configure, admin, no password 123 123, config system interface, edit port 5, and set allow access HTTP ping SSH, and set IP 192.168.100.210/24, and done. Okay, and let's access this firewall 2 as well. So refresh, admin 123. Okay, later, because it will change the name, everything we have in the backup. Go to dashboard, status, and it's extended to another 66. Okay, so let's click here, configuration, restore. Okay, upload, and firewall 221, this one. So this is firewall 2 configuration, and OK and OK, and we are done. So let's go to the first one. Maybe it's come up or not yet. Let's do until the firewall 3 similarly. So go to firewall 3, admin 123 123, config system interface, edit port 5. Okay, and set allow access HTTP, ping SSH, and set IP 192.168.100.230 we decide, and 24, and end. Okay, and let's check out this file 192.168.100.230. Okay, let's see if I put something wrong on port 5 or not. Show system interface. Okay, I put wrong IP. I was thinking that I done something wrong. My finger told me. Config system interface and edit port 5 and set IP 192.168.100.230/230. Yeah, so then we assign. No, it's not 230. It should be 220. 220 and end, because 230 we assigned to the this one. So let me change this one. It's 220 by the way. 210, 220, 200, 240 and 230 is assigned here. So let me go to 220. Okay, admin 123, and I don't want to configure anything. It will ask me later, because I have the backup, they will restore them everything from there. So it's 66 now, and let's go to configuration, restore, and upload, and firewall 3. Yeah, here is firewall 3, and okay, and okay. Now let's go back to the first one. It will be available. So let's go to an admin 123, and let's log into admin 123 as well, firewall 2. So you may find the name as firewall 2 is being restored, and if you go to network and interfaces, so both WAN 1 WAN 2 will be available. So here WAN 1 and WAN 2 is there, and we have this one and our DMZ zone, and also everything is there. And if you go to static route, so we disable yesterday's similar like a disable, policy route is disabled, and I don't know BGP is configured or not. Yes, so BGP is configured, which we done yesterday, and firewall policy will be there. Here is everything is back. So this is the way you can continue your work. Again in firewall 2, if you go to interfaces, so it should be there. Yeah, so WAN 1, and here is LAN and management, and definitely there is a DNS configure 811, static route is configured. We disable them because we use BGP yesterday, so BGP is configured. And policy, there should be 2 policy we created, 3 I can't remember yesterday. So yes, there is 2 policy, and similarly this will come back, and you may continue your work from here. So again, before 6/6, now we have 2 weeks. So before, again take a new fresh backup, and then this way you can restore and you can continue your work. You got the idea? So you need to do such. Otherwise, then you need to remove this firewall, either this one, and then you need to configure them from scratch again. So it's a hard job to continue your topology. That's it. Rest of the, we have many other net. Okay, we are still doing source net, and we will do source net, then central source net, then we will do destination net, different option, and then we will do virtual IP, and virtual IP we will do a different option, port forwarding and services and etc. And then we will move to the policies. Okay, thank you very much.